Hey guys, I'm Matt from Modelflight. Today we're going to be looking at the new Spektrum DX18. Let's have a look. Take off the outer carton. As you see straight away in the box, there's a Spektrum DX18 decal sheet, warranty card, always important. And then underneath that we've got the Spektrum DX18 manual. We take off the first cardboard layer. Straight away we've got the transmitter wrapped up in plastic. In the box here we've got the receiver, a neck strap, SD card, a bind plug of course. In the other box is the international AC charge adapter, which will suit most regions in the world. Okay, we'll take the transmitter out. It's all wrapped up in plastic so it doesn't get scratched. As you can see, DX18, quite a feature-packed radio. Some of the new features on the DX18 will include a 50 model memory, the new X Plus channel expandability option for an extra 8 channels on top of the original 10, extensive aeroplane, helicopter and sailplane programming. A new stick switch will allow you to start a timer using the throttle stick, servo balancing and sequencing, and mode selectable obviously between 1, 2, 3 and 4. As you can see here, all the components in the box. We've got the charging adapters to fit your region, some hardware for the ratchet, trainer port plug, bind plug, the DX18 neck strap with the logo printed onto it, AC charge adapter, 56 megabyte SD card, the new AR9020 receiver, and the transmitter. Thanks for looking at the new DX18 with me guys. I suppose we'll speak soon.